Welcome to the second part of our video about the signals of a woman deeply attracted to you. If you haven't watched the first part yet, a link will appear on the pop-up card. In this video, we'll cover 3 more signals to help you recognize and navigate this challenging behavior. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated on new videos. The 5th signal is asking personal questions. I'm not referring to the usual inquiries like, "How was your day?" or "What do you do for a living?" This is a different level of curiosity. When a woman begins to ask about your deeper life experiences, passions, dreams, or views on important matters, it's time to take notice. These questions go beyond small talk. She is investing in you and seeking to understand your true self. Let's be honest for a moment. Most people aren't genuinely interested in your dreams or who you are at your core. But when a woman shows that interest, it's a clear sign that she's not just passing the time. She is sincerely looking to form a connection with you. This isn't about being polite or playing games. She is emotionally engaged. The harsh reality is that women don't expend their energy on those they don't care about. When she inquires about your beliefs, experiences, or genuine thoughts on life, it's a strong indication that she's evaluating you. She wants to know if you're worth her time, if you can engage in deep, meaningful discussions, or if you'll shy away when the conversation gets serious. Let's incorporate some Stoic wisdom here. The Stoics teach that while we cannot control others' actions, we can control our reactions to them. When a woman inquires about your life, it indicates her desire to connect on a deeper level. The ball is in your court now. Will you avoid the tough questions or will you rise to the occasion? The Stoic mindset emphasizes that while you can't dictate the outcome, you can choose how to engage in the moment. If she's asking questions, it's your opportunity to reveal your true self. If her interest intimidates you, or if you're hesitant to be vulnerable, you may not be embodying the courage and authenticity that characterize genuine men. So, when she poses these personal inquiries, consider this. Is she seeking a deeper connection, or is she assessing your depth to maintain her interest? The answer will provide crucial insight into the direction of your relationship. Now, let's discuss a sign you might have noticed but overlooked. The 6th signal is adjusting her appearance. You've seen it happen. She's in front of you, and suddenly she's fixing her hair, straightening her clothes, or adjusting her jewelry. This isn't just a trivial act. It carries significance. It's a strong indication that she's making an effort to present herself well for you. This is definitely not a coincidence. It's time to be honest. A woman doesn't go through the trouble of perfecting her appearance for just anyone. She's not doing it for herself. It's for you. Each time she tucks her hair behind her ear or straightens her collar, she's signaling that she wants to impress you. This is a subtle yet deliberate form of attraction. She's giving you a hint that she hopes you'll take notice, and she's working hard to ensure that you do. You might dismiss it as trivial, just minor gestures, right? But these actions are significant. She's not seeking validation from anyone else. It's all about you. Whether she's smoothing her dress, touching up her lipstick, or running her fingers through her hair, she's trying to present herself in the best way possible. If you overlook this, you're letting a valuable opportunity slip by. The harsh truth is that women are always assessing you. They want to see if you're attentive to the details and aware of the subtle cues they send. When a woman adjusts her look in your presence, she's gauging whether you're the kind of man who notices, values, and responds to these signals. If you're attuned to these cues, you demonstrate that you're observant, self-assured, and ready for a deeper connection. Ignoring these adjustments means missing a crucial chance to engage with her and assert your presence. Recognize her actions. This is your chance to demonstrate that you are the type of man who seizes opportunities. Every small gesture she makes is an invitation for you to acknowledge it and assert your presence. You don't need to make a grand display. Simply noticing, understanding, and responding appropriately reflects your awareness and confidence. Let's explore a significant yet often ignored indicator. The seventh signal is nervousness or fidgeting. It may appear trivial, but when you see a woman adjusting her outfit, fidgeting with her hands, or shifting in her seat in your presence, pay attention. She may not vocalize her feelings, but her body language is clearly indicating that your presence impacts her. This goes beyond mere awkwardness or distraction. It signifies genuine attraction. Even the most self-assured woman who appears to have everything under control can't entirely hide her nervousness around a man she genuinely likes. You can pick up on it through her subtle actions. Perhaps she's tugging at her sleeve or playing with her hair while speaking. Maybe her foot is tapping beneath the table, or she's shifting her weight from side to side. It's all part of the interaction. Her body is struggling to manage the wave of emotions that she can't completely control. Here's the reality. Women don't get anxious around just anyone. You have an impact on her, whether she acknowledges it or not. Those small, fidgety gestures are clues pointing to the clear truth. She's attracted to you. It's as straightforward as that. Now, let's incorporate some Stoic wisdom, as the Stoics recognized the strength of awareness and self-discipline in such moments. When she reacts to you in ways beyond her control, you, as the man, hold the power to choose your response. The Stoic approach encourages us not to let emotions dictate our actions, and this applies here. While she may feel nervous, you should remain calm, composed, and steady. There's no need to rush or overthink. Instead, acknowledge her anxiety, understand it for what it is, and use it to reinforce your calm demeanor. By maintaining your composure, you communicate that you're unfazed by the subtle, unspoken tension between you. This quality is rare in a man, the ability to remain steady when emotions are heightened. In that tranquility, you have the opportunity to take charge of the situation and foster the deeper connection she is quietly indicating she desires. Next time you notice her fidgeting, remember this. It indicates you've made an impression. How you respond will reveal a lot about your self-control, confidence, and masculinity. To summarize, pay attention to these subtle cues, like extended eye contact, open body language, genuine laughter, light touches, thoughtful questions, her attention to appearance, and those small signs of nervousness. These will help you gauge her true feelings towards you. Once you learn to identify these signals, you won't need to doubt her intentions or emotions anymore. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Before you leave, I want to know which sign resonated with you. Comment below with, "I get it now." I'm eager to hear your thoughts and discuss this further. See you in the next video.